Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to make a clarification. When I was rewatching my previous video about the review I made on the Tracer 900 GT, I kind of felt that I made it look like the Tracer 900 was not powerful enough. At least that's what I felt. So I just want to clarify to someone who is confused out there after watching that video that have no doubts in your mind, the Tracer 900 is a really powerful bike. I was only comparing it against the Yamaha R1 when I quoted that it is not a very powerful bike, or it's not as powerful as the R1. But make no mistake, this is not a beginner motorcycle. I don't want anyone who watched my previous video to think that, oh okay, the MT09 or Tracer 900 is not powerful enough and just go and get that bike without enough experience. I had an R6 as well a few years ago, so when compared to R6, the MT09's torque is much higher. The R6 would beat this bike maybe at top ends, but from the starting line up to at least 60 miles, the MT09 engine is more powerful. That's why this is more fun to ride in city streets than on the highways or racetracks. I mean, both are built for different purposes, but I just wanted to clear that out to anyone who got a wrong impression about this bike's power after watching my previous video. Basically, this has plenty power to keep you entertained and plenty enough to go on a highway as well. Honestly, in my opinion, you don't need a more powerful bike than this if you ride on the city streets. Other than that, it's all individual choices. Of course, the R6 looks sexy, I know. So if you are into sport bikes because of their look, or if you go to a racetrack, then maybe you will need such bikes. Anyway, that's all I wanted to talk about in this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.